Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi i-NPA luthi lushaqekile ngokuhoxa ka-Advocate Teffo Malesela ekumeleni abasolwa abane ecaleni lokubulawa kukaSenzo Meyiwa. I-NPA ithi ikhathazekile ngokuthi lokhu kuzobambezela futhi lelicala. UAdvocate Malesela izolo uveze ukuthi uyahoxa ekumeleni abasolwa ngelithi usongelwa ngokubulawa.
From the beginning of the trial, always maintained that we are ready to proceed with the trial. We've always wanted to start with the trial. So as a state, obviously, we are concerned by this delay, and we are concerned, we are shocked by the withdrawal of the advocate from this matter, but we hope that things will proceed smoothly. Unfortunately, we cannot comment on the allegations done by the advocate. However, as the NPA, we've been following the right procedures in court. We've been doing everything as per the procedure. However, Advocate Teffo felt that he was being harassed, and as the state, we cannot comment further on his feelings.
Inhloko yezokushushiswa enhlanganweni i-AfriForum Advocate ithi ukhoxa ka-Advocate Teffo kubuyisela emumva icala kanye nomndeni kaMeyiwa.
If there's new counsel appointed to deal with the case for case number 1 to 4, I really hope that we appoint counsel that will focus on the merits of the matter. Because as a family, we've been waiting years and years for justice, and all we get is application after application after application. And, you know, the applications then get abandoned. After last time, when the matter was on the roll, we spent 2 days on argument on jurisdiction. The judge then said, let's file heads of argument and let's argue jurisdiction today, just for it to be abandoned.
Advocate Teffo Malesela izolo umangaza abaningi ikhathazekile ekumeleni abasolwa abane ecaleni lokubulawa kukaMeyiwa uthe usekhathele ukuhlukunyezwa ngumbuso.
The reason, Your Lordship, I can no longer be able to be in court and face you. There are serious allegations here, whereby you are accused number 1. Before I can even accept the case of 636 to represent the accused 1 to 4, there has been harassment that I should not be part of this case. From the police, from the NPA. I came into this case knowing what will be the consequence. On the 28th of April, when I was arrested before your court, Your Lordship, that was a plan. And the plan was hatched in the office of the President, the number 1 office of the number 1 in the country, that I'm a problematic advocate. I'm interfering with a plan that has been hatched, that my client should take the responsibility of the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, despite the fact that they were innocent.